Welcome back to Accessible Homesteading. Today we wanted to show you our son's custom computer upgrade. It may have taken a month and several trips to stores and products ordered online, but once installed, it's up and running at full capacity with him being excited to be able to use it. Time to upgrade his monitor next. Leave us a comment below on your custom computer specs and builds. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to join our little herd. We will have a surprise coming out within the month if everything goes to plan, so stay tuned.